My name is Emily Hankins and welcome to Painting with Emily. I am going to be showing you how to become confident with cocoa butter paint, how to use that in your own work, how to add value to your cakes, and how to add another technique to your cake decorating arsenal of skills. I'm going to be teaching you tips and tricks and all sorts of different techniques, from full cake tutorials through to individual flowers. I absolutely love cocoa butter painting and I am really looking forward to sharing that passion with you. So let's get painting!